show if that's gonna be continuing that way. Oh, let's go. Cash would have to next multiplier. Multiplier is gonna be applied. Wow. Just take
Right here. Oh, careful, go because the camera's there.
Whoa! Crazy 7. Let's go. Double for yellow one. Let's another double for yellow one. Third.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Well, he did not tell you to do anything. Kolla. Nothing. Oh, hi, Steve. I'm doing great. How are you? Like, he did not say anything. Absolutely nothing. I don't believe that. That's suspicious. That's a 20x an hour 10. Please.
This is the amount of money issued 49,023 euros.
Start. Number 10, everyone. With a 20x, very casual top slot right there. 288 winners, congratulations.
The bets are open, so let's go for another round. Hope a good one, of course. Don't forget to run hello and good luck to everyone in the chat as well. Yo, Mr. H, how are you doing today? Yeah, I see that. And I wish you the very best of luck. No more bets now. Let's see what do we get. Well, we have 2x on the cash hunt. Oh, how about that? Would be interesting to see. And here we go. Cash on time. Let's do some hunting. Welcome everyone to the cash hunt. Oh, let's see. What do we get? Yo. 2x top slot applied. That's the new highest win. Next multiplier. 1000x. Let's go. Yo, that's crazy actually. Yeah, that's the new highest win. That's more than 700. That's 1000x. Of course, I mean, not everyone will get it probably. But I hope lots of players will get it, okay? So ladies and gentlemen, your time to shine. Pick a target, pick a good one, or let the out pictures for you. Players, can you imagine you have a chance to get 1000x? Okay, I'm gonna be quiet. Be careful.
This is the amount of money issued 19,585 euros.
Oh, well, congratulations to all the winners. To one.
Round has now been fully opened, ladies and gentlemen. And now let's now continue. Collector, hope you died. Okay, bro. Bets now gonna be closing down. Good luck. Bets now close. Cash on 7x. Cash on 7x. Boom. Change house, please. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, boy. Spell my name, ladies and gentlemen. That's who I is. This is Cash on, ladies and gentlemen. This is the board right now. Boom! 7x that. Bada bing, bada boom. Would you look at that, ladies and gentlemen? Max multiply 700x. Good luck. Yes, it is working. Praise Allah for conditioner. Praise Him, ladies and gentlemen. Carousel now has been stopped. It's going to be now decision time for y'all to choose which one you want to, alright? If you don't want to choose for yourself, you can always let auto pick choose for you, ladies and gentlemen, and best of luck to get a big win, alright? Big win.
This is the amount of money issued 56,267 euros.
At the bottom guys, 2 people only got it. 1,388 all the winners, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all of you. ED, Will, Bingo Plus Uno, Bambo, top 5 winners. Congratulations. Let's now continue. bets now close. Good luck.
Beautiful places now. 543 winners. Congratulations to the ones who placed their bets. Let's go for another round. Okay, good month, course. And welcome all the new players for joining us. Hope you're having a good time. So, no more bets now. Shit, best of luck. Lyra, hey, how are you doing? Good to see you. Alright, well, let's see what do we get. Ooh, 15x on the coin flip. I mean, that would be really interesting. I mean, it depends if you want culture, sea or mountain. I would like to try lots of stuff. Wait a second, we have a coin flip? Yeah, let's continue that topic after this coin flip. Yo, that's crazy. The new highest win? Is it possible? I mean, it's possible. You can get 1,500 the max. Holy moly. Okay, 5x on the red, 15x on the blue. Maybe not the biggest, but with 15x top slots. Oh, 75x on the red, 225x on the blue. Let's go blue side, come on.
This is the amount of money issued 99,796 euros.
225x for you, ladies and gentlemen. Holy moly, 918 winners. Congratulations, everyone. Well, place your bets and let's go for another round. Hope you're good.
Woo, hairstyle done. Let's go. Starting off with a 3x. 3, 7, 10, 15, 35, 200. Let's go. 200. Woo, there. I'm about getting good. All right, guys. 200x ice multi. Boom. Let's try to get it. Man, come on, come on, come on. 200.
This is the amount of money issued 712,601 euros.
There we go. 5,630 Twitter. Feel free to place in your bets now.
Whoa, 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 you know, and here we go. Pachinko, you know, here we go. Whoa, off my balance a little bit. Anyway, let's see the X's. We are starting off with a 5x. That's going to be the lowest, but there's going to be higher ones as well. A little bit of 7s here and there, 15, 25, 40, and 200, and a double! Oh, alright. Excitement mode is on. And actually, look at that decent drop spot. Excitement is really on. Here we go. Oh, come on, give us the excitement. Give us the excitement. 200, double, or double 200, 200, 200.
This is the amount of money issued 559,420 euros.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa. Oh, yeah. 3,066 minutes, Mazina.
Ew, papa. Ew, papa. And ladies and gentlemen, betting sounds over. Like, do we have anyone from Netherlands who knows two words for this song? Oh, thank you very much for your compliment. Niji. Makes sense over. Like, there's a great time. You're a papa. Yes, gents, you're a papa. Do you know you're a papa? You're a papa. You're a papa. And are we getting a crazy time? Crazy time! Whoa! Crazy time and a 3x from top slots! Come on! Here we go! Come with me, let's get crazy time! Okay, look at that. Look at what it's the crazy time. Woohoo! So ladies and gentlemen, multipliers right now up here on the wheel. And let's go. And let's multiply everything by 3, right? We got a 3x. And everything right now is here multiplying by 3. Let's go. And decision time, ladies and gentlemen, starts right now. So now's your time to pick up which flopper you would like to have. Green flopper, blue flopper, or yellow flopper. Most of the players right now are choosing the blue one. Last second. Decision time is over. Max multiplier is going to be 300. Let's go! Let's go. Let's double everything. And ladies and gentlemen, right now the max multiplier is going to be 600. Here we go. Another double for yellow one. Let's go. Let's double it. Hey, one more time. Right now, ladies and gentlemen, maximum player is going to be 1,200. Here we go. Another double for yellow one. Third double, ladies and gentlemen. Another one. All right, are you ready? Maximum player is going to be right now 2,400. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 600 for 1,845 euros.
75x for blue, 100x for green. Your own Love Island show. That's going to be continuing that way. Ooh, let's go. Cash with 15x multiplier. So yeah, oh, come on. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. One more. Guys, cash out 15x multiplier. I cannot believe this is right now happening. Guys, I say cash hunt. No, I say cash. You say hunt. Cash hunt. Cash hunt. Woo! Okay, this is incredible, guys. Let's go. 1x multi, and that's not it because 15x multiplier is gonna be applied. Wow. Just take a moment. Guys, nice multiplier. 1,500x multi. Wow. Wow. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, let's go. Everybody's twirling around and everything. This is awesome. We have a little party out there. Okay, guys, you gotta choose where that 1,500x multi is gonna be hidden. Also, auto picker could pick it for you if you're not really sure, but whoo, okay, I think I have already chosen, guys. Are you? That's a real question. And I'm gonna choose this stuff.
This is the amount of money issued 777,852 euros.
There it is. So it's a little bit on top. Hey, we have 23 winners with 1,500x multi and more than 4,000 winners in total. Mazzino, 34K. Mwah. Bag one time, 27K for you as well. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay. Let's go. Yippee!
So yeah, kind of in a way in the middle of nowhere. 4,510 winners. It wasn't born like any of the big cities. Mazzino, they're the top winner, or the bigger states, I guess. All right, let's carry on, everybody, and see what else we can find, what we can get. Yippee! Spin has made your luck to you. Also, guys, quick heads up. I'm actually going to be leaving fairly soon. We might have, like, give or take 5 minutes left. 7x on cash. Come on. Come on. This has to be the one. Please. Yes. Oh, baby. That was a bit of a nail biter right there. Oh, yeah. Guys, easy on boy RGs right now. We got a 500. Hey, yo, hold up. We're going to change that in a second. 7x top slot. Oh, baby. Is that a 3.5 thousand? You bet it is. Okay, let's go. Man, oh, man. Oh. Hold up now. I'm getting a little bit too excited. Give me a second. I got to calm down. There's got a lot at stake. And I'm feeling hungry. Ladies and gentlemen, choose your target. You only get to pick one. All of them been mixed around in the carousel. They're everywhere. Only one shot, one opportunity. If you don't make a choice, auto pick will choose for you. I'm going to go for the top left corner right here. Oh, careful. Go because the camera's there.
This is the amount of money issued 593,892 euros.
There, 525. I got a 7x. Congratulations to the winners. Great job. We good, guys. 6,819 winners in total. Oh, you can go. You're good.
All right, we got Yumi top winner with an 80,000. Mr. Postal with a 16,000 euro win. A betting time is open, everybody. Time for the next spin. Let's get it. Woo! Nice. Nice. All right, thank you, man. You too. All right, everybody, spin is made. Good luck. Here we go. Here we go, guys. 5x on coin flip.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.